Loop through all nested dictionary values. I'm trying to loop through a dictionary and print out all key-value pairs where the value is not a nested dictionary. If the value is a dictionary, I want to go into it and print out its key-value pairs, etc. Any help? Edit. How about this? It still only prints one thing. Full test case. Dictionary. Result.
As said by Nicholas, you need recursion, i.e. want to define a function to print your dict, and if the value is a dict, you want to call your print function using this new dict. Something like
There are potential problems if you write your own recursive implementation or the iterative equivalent with stack. See this example. In the normal sense, nested dictionary will be an n-nary tree-like data structure. But the definition doesn't exclude the possibility of a cross edge or even a back edge, thus no longer a tree. For instance, here key 2.2 holds to the dictionary from key 1, key 2.3 points to the entire dictionary back edge / cycle. When there is a back edge cycle, the stack / recursion will run infinitely. If you print this dictionary with this implementation from Sharon, you would see this error. The same goes with the implementation from Central. Similarly, you get an infinite loop with this implementation from Fred Fu. However, Python actually detects cycles in nested dictionary. Is where a cycle is detected. As requested by Mundra, this is a way to avoid cycles, DFS.
Since a dict is iterable, you can apply the classic nested container iterable formula to this problem with only a couple of minor changes. Here's a Python 2 version, see below for 3. Test. In Python 2, it might be possible to create a custom mapping that qualifies as a mapping but doesn't contain iteritems, in which case this will fail. The docs don't indicate that iteritems is required for a mapping. On the other hand, the source gives mapping types an iteritems method. So for custom mappings, inherit from collections.mapping explicitly just in case. In Python 3, there are a number of improvements to be made. As of Python 3.3, abstract base classes live in collections.abc. They remain in collections 2 for backwards compatibility, but it's nicer having our abstract base classes together in one namespace. So this imports abc from collections. Python 3.3 also adds EOFrom, which is designed for just these sorts of situations. This is not empty syntactic sugar. It may lead to faster code and more sensible interactions with coroutines.
Alternative iterative solution.
If you want the same Orient, 3 anti-chunky substituent.